Oi everybody! Today I'll be showing you how to make real ice cream at home. These methods are the foundations for making fresh, no additive ice cream, and I will show you how to do them with a machine and without. I will be showing you the classic vanilla and chocolate bases, and with these recipes you can turn it into any flavor you want. And today's Portuguese word of the day is sorvete. Sorvete, which means ice cream. I'm an ice cream lover and I'm always looking for new ice cream things to learn. I got some great inspiration from some of my ice cream books. They're incredible and I really recommend them. You can find the links to those books in the description. For the chocolate one, we will be making a custard-based method. Get ready 1 cup of a good quality dark chocolate 70% in a bowl and set aside. 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 8 egg yolks. You can use the leftover egg whites for making delicious coconut macarons. You can find my recipe in the baking section of my channel. Into a medium pot, add 2 cups of cream and 2 cups of milk. Half of the sugar and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, whisk the yolks and the rest of the sugar until smooth. At this time, you can add flavor in your pot, such as coffee, vanilla, spices and nuts. For citrus fruits, just add your flavor at the end. When the pot is boiling, turn it off and temper the yolk mixture. Using a ladle, pour the liquid from the pot and whisk quickly, just until it gets warm enough. Add everything back in the pot and cook, stirring until 80 to 85 Celsius, or until thickened and coats the back of a spoon. Strain it over the chocolate and whisk it until all incorporated. I also like to add some salt to taste. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. So, I love this ball from KitchenAid. I really recommend it. Works really well and doesn't need too much room. You can just always keep it in the freezer for when you need it. It's easy to use and makes amazing ice cream every time. For more info, check out the link in the description. So, set up your machine and get the ball from the freezer ready. Bring the chocolate base from the fridge, give it a stir, and pour it in the ice cream maker bowl. Let it mix about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your base. You will start to see that ice cream texture and you will know it's ready. Scrape all the ice cream from the bowl using a silicone or plastic spatula. Never use a metal or stainless steel tool. It can damage the bowl. Pour it into an airtight container and freeze it until hard enough. In 2 hours, your ice cream is ready. It's really simple and you can make any flavor you want. It's very creamy, soft enough, and delicious. The vanilla recipe is even easier. Into a medium pot, add 3 cups of heavy cream, 2 cups of half-half cream, 1 3/4 cups of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla paste. If you use extract, add 2 teaspoons. At this time, you can also add other flavor if you want to. Cook over low to medium heat, just until the sugar melts. This base is so simple, and after this step you can use it in any machine you have or make it by hand as we'll be doing now. You can also refrigerate it and use it for up to 3 days. The other way to make ice cream is a very old-fashioned way, and you don't need an ice cream maker. You will need a big bowl which can fit one smaller bowl inside with ice in it. Add about 4 parts of ice to 1 part of salt. The ice is best in the smaller pieces. Bring the bowl with the base and use a hand mixer or a whisk. Use a whisk for smaller portions, but for a big portions you will have a bit of a sore arm. Mix the base until it gets thick and fluffy. I divided mine in 2 because my bowl was too big for the second step. Bring your balls to the freezer, including your ice ball, and let it set for 1 hour. After 1 hour, bring it back and mix it again. Scrape the ice at sides. Mix until you get it thick and looking like a soft-served ice cream. Freeze it again until you get an ice cream texture, overnight or around 4 hours. And you have another incredible ice cream. I don't really need to say how it looks perfect. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these incredible ice cream recipes at home. I really love my ice cream maker bowl. It works so well with all ice cream recipes, and I can make my ice creams with less work. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for all my latest recipes and food adventures. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao!